106.3 Adum FM Sunni. It's a Friday morning. It's not say. Dwaso Nsem Renaso. If he's having a copy himself, known to Ebebo. Now, baby, I'm sure so do a video na twa. We need your say bonsu. Mama na production team no as. And then some go up no for. That's not seen. That's not seen. Newspapers ni nyina be cancer. Daily Graphic newspaper Nenima corruption allegation at Public Procurement Authority. Shraj receives President's petition and Special Prosecutor summons CEO. Osha Ora Joseph Wethal. Nimfoni Edaha Ejenim Boatin Ej Infoni Waha Martin Amidu Special Prosecutor Infoni Ewaha, and please raise 350,000 Ghana cedis from traffic offences. And also COP Christian Tetenyohonu Infoni Ewaha. Act to save country from corruption. Presbyterian Church of Ghana tells leadership. Ninyina Daily Graphic de Abba. The Daily Searchlight newspaper. Osha front page now. Ose President suspends CEO of PPA, refers him to the OSP and Shraj. And Ekuyadonko before court as a squatter facing ejection. Hey. The Chronicle newspaper. Martin Amidu writes to PPA boss, hey, report yourself to my office next week. You have a corruption charge to answer. And a new Edubiasi NDC on fire over parliamentary candidate. Ifadate advises First Lady to stay clear of Gomuafete Akwambo. Hey. Okay. Ghanaian Times newspaper. Fallout from Manasseh's expose. President suspends PPA boss. Special prosecutor Shraj begin probe into contracts for sales saga. And on a sad note, the former star striker Junior Manuel Agogo passes on. Ghanaian Times, Ediaba. Daily Guide said, Akufo-Addo drags fired PPA boss to Amidu, and a Junior Agogo is dead. Midland Savings recorded massive losses. 2 more killers of policewoman arrested. Meba betwaso the newspaper stories na kanamamuna. Isaac Nomenyo abekansa wa homaneso. Ono ye reporter wo obuase ene ne mantemu. Ni enya ntie se maami bi ewu ewo ho na circumstances a onam so edi wu ye no quite silly. Isaac Nomenyo it is saying hello Nomenyo. Okay, I say only obi kasa we chirenti on shada into the year kind na ya science so enya bi find a newspaper says income inequality increases from 37% to 43%, where Professor John Bafo and President Akufo-Addo refers PPA boss to Shraj and special prosecutor. Workers affected by bank closures must open new accounts, where Accountant General Department in summer omonso dia tudwa enono na menya oteme nkan mo akwaba. Okay, ma yenhwese benya na new weekend crusading guide. So government response to contract for sale saga as SP Simon suspended PPA boss. He is to appear before investigators on 29th. Na menya oteme nkan
obi anio
aha na apomi ya de
Yanko Pado Metiasobi.
Okay. Inti eden na esi anope yenya ntie se obi kobu dan bi ama ebu aguma me bi so ekono ate saying.
Obi de chenie oba betie mu ewo krobi efra yoso ben kwapia ewo adanse north mensini emu. Ekroye krobi a suku eni ekrobi emu. Enkona ayemiensa ne wa ha ye wo kwapia ye wo yoso ene ye wo patakro aye gini sankro miensa no aye kwapia ene ye center etimpanifo nyina yo maje se omkwa kosi school no ewo aye kwapia na omo amobembe ni nyina tinye nyakwenya akọ nti yo so ne de womo ensi school ni bi ewa ha eno ena afempanifo ewa ha mra se begeni owo sa mpatem ha your friend or lawyer Siama Formana about to pay so you say one of the non matter kunyaha your margin say and ye woman pass say nanka omu mesi school ni duwa nen kwada nketwa na omu twa kwan free ha ko kwapia school no netwo etini etwa eno na ene ne nansa ene peniko fo ekofa grader edibisi asase no so say omu ag na so kada ho na omu ba mesi school no eno na nipa binum so aye efu ewa ha na maame abrewa wanya fisi abeye eduoson ene asire maame na fu so wa ha bi ebro na menkeni nyama na wadua omu chemse de da maame ne ba ha na womo ehu se ebia maame na sa ehye enwura no integrate no operator ne ye adwuma na ene kokko dwifa maame no so na me ka se maame no ne kon nifa asie ho no na nanim nyina twia maame no atoa nananom ewo enhye do ekenye se bia edan na womo ejure gu a ejune mu school dan afi na nka womo pepa ase no so abisi ewa ha eno ene nam so a grade na kotia fa maame no so ama na atoa nananom ewo enhye do na obi me pese masem ebe wati no ne ba nimpon ewa ha ye pese ne chichim komo na ye bisa no na wono aso mu die hia ne maame no etoa nananom ewo enhye do aja adom fm kasa fidie so ni ye show maame den to no maame ya to nananom ewo enhye do
enra numere be no 9 pe mu me mefuru menen mefuru ne wonka proya sie na maame eti me sha na mtise anti afidie ni ba na me die America afidie ni ba mbedro am kenede maame no so ti wo mo yes ma ti so mo di afidie no ebeyi maame no ti yi na kese wato nananom won tie do ye ne hwia na nyi de o se ma police for asunti na no e bona na mane ya o ma di police ba ya police for bebe ya tamu mu na ye dina koto da dwene mo chiri
again na nanka omo be ye wasase so
no omo be si school dan na enkora ndo tofia na e wo ha no omo twa lorry kwan wo kwapia e ne ko school ti kwan no so no enkora na no mu susa etinka MP no ye se obeboa wi so man na chese ya pe enkora ndo tofia school no bi wo ha se omo akutwa lorry kwa mu accident bi enkoba to ne nke mo na wo de bo akuru se ta enkora nketwa ni benye school ha no mu na wo mu ko mu pani bi so kwa ne to aso wa abo kene na nam so ma ta se hono ekobae
o maame ye friend saying we di fi saying
ye friend adwofun wa di fi o fi 75 years
ne mano mo ye saying what also saying
mena me
Jim FM
mena me penyin
se se dia be how
pa se ye ni penyin bia ofi obiom ye maame ba ko pa wa ka ofi hono mo ayi se ona ye ni dan so no na ri se nya yankopon afre no
Isaac. Yes, enti maame no dan na esi asase na omo yes omo di besi kindergarten block no.
Obi daddy nefu wedia bro body na menke nti afuo no enye dan eye afuo
nti grader na eba bedwi asase ne so keke
sanete na maame ni shefuo no
na maame ni shefuo nim
sanete
na grader na ye de twi fa maame ne so
sa we ninim se ohun so say okay trim
o piano tie no e de akogu other side na maame se no twen se no otu ne menken no egu ho a wo tete hu ti wo tete hu na ti de tie ansa ante sori na fidie ni ba jampani ampa tama edu na je se na tie no akagu nso
why na e ka ante sori o na fidie ne ba
na emranche bebre wa ha se ejuno cheze obi e he binti na emranche bebre wa ha ti me na fuo ne bo hu te me tesa na me jai me fuo no mo djuma na me dua me ka me ba cheze me ba de me bedu ya na ma me de no na tie na gu nso mo
inti emranche na ehwe gi ani ye gi asase no so no omo ehu se ma me ne te ho
eno de enkura ne cheze omo ehu na de omo hunu ya na se maame no odi wira ebe menken no ne hono no se sefrafo no ma no odi abegu ba bi a enwuni bi wo se obetete hu e se ba bi na odi menken ni wira ne begu ye no no to nse hono na o mo pia e wira no e di abegu e na yinu kakagu maame no so a odi efrem
inti anwea ne kagu ne so
e no asa ti se o hwe na nimu ana nim se no enyina twitwa na ne kon no so ne kon no bonkum no ne kon bonkum no oda ne fanse the top from left in a top from the honing in a chica. I'm an animusin in a chica, Muja Pram.
Na dia Samonson. Inti grade ano drive ano way.
A patch on right. Yeah, police were the call police one local police station.
And Oma meaning so more than aqua mortuary.
And patch on.
And I was within fees 75. Wow. Now 75 now still over what do you ultimately quite foam?
Oh, I'm ordering way any Paco Cruanti or I'm ordering.
And I was the money in Amoya saying
8
no moon in Amoton and Chain war. You also.
A patch or Debbie. Menkwana, Meneno Krumanum.
It all quite foam be a one in an echo.
If we on there, one more do be a facet, and I'm missing do a facet. Many if we on the bone a bank. And here I was featured the school, said Benny a corono. And yet, and yet, a much the brace echo, a corona.
Na Sadana, Namo quite foam. Namunim said, Great and a baby Gias as soon as Rebecca on my mere phone.
The patch on there. A man, Nana craft friend, my way, I wear say, nephew, a beckon. If you're not near our word, to be a Gumo Hanamo, maybe some of whom and I want to say enough room. And Namoya, where say, Great and no Ebegiama can a phone. Sadanamuko, 4 more quiet day. And only there now, almost says, and near the room, I'll go to a baby. Would you tune through now? A video, a best entry, or no, I already say, will be to a near man on the you did in Ephraim, and a man Kobasa.
Because me say, man time say on fen to tour. That day na grade and do a phone mono. Sada na so na no so call so kututu mankin.
Just if you didn't know, Eba had 3 days time. Na Ejuma. It's 3 days time.
Hello?
Hello.
Jim FM.
3 days time na Ejuma. No, I'm doing Kaka. Just one why professor will you a few man from. But he then it's a man of Kobai and come Casamus will be Mudia. Can say because 1 month, then you be or more conversation be on the man and every good go now cry Emma of him. Sana man Kobai. What then why I'm what who in your man if we.
Yo ma, I mean Nasia na Yanshan fancy. Why? Where the Yamamo Yakon so why?
Yo, chief.
Yamamo Yako. Inti say what bone you are kana mania.
Sisi kura make us akura me and sakura fite makura abedura na ji. Obi.
Yes, Ike.
Obi, the tenye. And the bedroom ha humatino na nipa bebre so eja ye be kind of bonfire ewa ha na bi say so aden enti no ma so bonfire no mo kire mi say ne da nwumre no brantie bi e de car nipa ma e ba ha say omo maame na car no ayi na due fre no so ekunu no eye on ya enti sidie na di awuo no on ba betwa eja tum enam no so mo so sabe you
Mitio.
Abo so say wo empre e ba sankofo no so me se afidie no man kofeka emre eye oman no nti obi so we dru anso nipa na omuso gu omuso enwen no eno so ntianim e dia police for was apaten wa ba be ye e dia fa ha afidie no kura no bibi enkoto no ananse ye nim de be se so e wa kire obi wo hwe so a ekuro no eja kakra bebi omo yiwo no asem no sie eye de poso e na otu ani a wo hu kuro na nkasa yie kura bebi a wa kama se adan nyina sisi anafo ha ti obi abeden nwanwa sese bi nipa ehye afu a ye de yi betimi asa ne so ma na to na mo nfie no obi no da pa bo ati bidin wa ha
yeah and the banner in the kasa and the deed saying
Pacho Efremi Peter Jamrana dodo na Kwame Bronya na oba ekuroma de oba ombehumi
Peter Jamra aka Kwame Bronya
the Pacho ai
ye wo Bronya time ana Okay. Yo, where the my fancy? Yeah, that's a pan or pay. Why?
Chief,
Yeah. Ike.
Obi.
My nasi. Good. Isaac Nomenyo, correspondent to Boase, and the environs, and I'm not saying no aiding como. Sad story there. Arahosa Mankasa, na Yensaka, Efi, or Boase, and Nemante. Momayanshana. Newspaper stories I can even mamu tell nafi yema kwaima Dom Sports page 1 Emra yebesi abetrase de na posono abremo Osha Daily Dispatch anima NDC's 2020 constituency primaries which comes off tomorrow or say Ablakwa Adoboy Ofosu Kwache Ramadan and Sosu likely to win. Now here for you that how could you to Ablakwa for you Felix Kwache Fosu Miss Efua Adoboy, Mohammed Ramadan, and Xavier Sosu. Shareholders of Capital and UT Banks sued for asset of over 850 million Ghana cedis. Herald newspaper or say government procurement rots split opened. Rawlings confirms receiving goodies from presidency, and Mahama demands ownership of Ghana Amalgamated Trust. And on some the Inside newspaper says Buzia's daughter petitions president over renaming of universities and other institutions. Unya Insider, you can read more for yourself there. Inquisitor says contracts for sale, PPA staff in shock over ABAJ's dealings. President fires CEO. Tomorrow's primaries, NDC hint of police infiltrators. Okay. And Library Authority boss eulogizes Education Minister. The Informer newspaper of CDD Ghana findings, Akufo-Addo chokes under corruption as PPA boss allegedly sells contract at 22.3 million Ghana cedis, but president set to clear him as usual. Nsem ewo. Informer in the Ghanaian publisher says NDC elects candidates for 2020. ABAJ was busted in similar act in 2000. The publisher newspaper says Zenith Bank supports 2-year-old Mabel. Amidu strikes, probes PPA boss, don't commit contract. And my husband was depressed. Dead cop's wife confesses. Mahama goes paperless. Speaks on Facebook. Hey, Rade. Okay. And tonight, some publisher newspaper no etumi ede aba. Daily Statement says ABAJ to face Shraj and Amidu. President swings into action of accusations against PPA boss. Integrity is crucial in running SOEs, says Gabi Asari Otredakon. Go Street Business, competition law being considered by cabinet, and utilities mining drive producer inflation upward in July. Go Street Business, and the Ghanaian Observer front page. PPA boss to face SP and Shraj over Manasseh's expose. McMahon heads NPP's Parliamentary Appeals Committee. Group raised red flags over privatization of business advisory centers. Akufo-Addo appoints Ghana Armed Forces second female brigadier general. Wow. Weekend today. GN savings was all set for $100 million cash investment before Oforiata Addison's sledgehammer. Richmond kills in his bar. Ma yenshe the Catholic Standard. Where Roman for paper on. The Catholic Standard. Okay. Tell positive stories of Africa and give women equal opportunities. Spanish ambassador, church watchdog of quality education, Archbishop Bonaventure Kofi. Bonaventure. And Sunday day, Dom Sports page 1, Bebre. Mamishani and Fire health tidbits no and Twamoso. And to wet newspaper headlines, there we know. See the